In this video, I will show you how to edit home address on Apple Maps. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, what I want you to do is load up your Maps app on your phone. And once it's loaded up, you're going to come to the bottom where it says Search Map. You're going to click on Search Maps. And we're going to press the X button to close up the search option. Now, right on the places, you can see where it says Home and it says Add. You're going to click on that. And here we're going to search for our street address. It's going to bring out options. So you're going to click the one that matches your favorite, your street address. And once it picks it up, it's going to set in the address here. It's going to ask you for the type of the address. Is it a work address, home address, or school address? And once you set all this, you're going to click on the check sign. And just like that, you've been able to edit your home address. Once you go to places, you can see it has recently added, it has your home address there and it has it pinned. Now that's how to edit home address on Apple Maps. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.